Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see one more example on NDFSM. So here we are converting this given NDFSM to a DFSM using a method which is explained in the Ellen Rich book with the help of algorithm. So algorithm I had explained in the previous video, just check out that. So the given NDFSM is, here it has the three states P, Q, R. Some states have an epsilon transition and the alphabet in the NDFSM is A, B, C. So I will write the alphabet set here, alphabet equal to A, B, C. So according to the algorithm, what is the first step? First we should find the EPS function for a given NDFSM states. So I will write EPS of a state P, then EPS of state Q, EPS of state R. EPS is nothing but we are finding the epsilon transitions here. So EPS of P will come in the list. Next check out any epsilon transition the state P has. So P, A ka transition it has, B, C, so no epsilon transition, so I will get only P in the EPS of P set. Next EPS of Q will come in the list. Next check out any epsilon transition this Q has. Yes, it has the epsilon transition to move to a P state, so using that I can move to what? P state. So I will write P in the group. Next, any other epsilon transition it has? No. So what I get here? PQ in the list. Next EPS of R. So EPS of R will come in the group. Next check out any epsilon transition it has. Yes, it has a one epsilon transition to Q. So I will write Q in the list. Next check out this Q has any epsilon transition towards any other state. Yes, it has a epsilon transition towards a P. So you are not only checking the epsilon transition from the current state. You have to find out the transition after reaching that state towards any other state it has a epsilon transition. So if it has, then consider all those states in the EPS of particular state. So first step is over. What is the second step? Second step I should find out what? S dash. So what is my S dash? S dash equal to EPS of S. So what is the start state in the given NDFSM? P. So EPS of P is what? That is P itself. So this is my S dash. What is the third step? Third step I should find what? The DO dash, the transition for a DFSM. So what is my new state? New state equal to initial value of this is null. What is my active state here? Active state equal to S dash, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but P in this case. What is the next step? I should repeatedly find the input transition from this state, then check out any new state, any new active state I will get. If I get a new active state, then I am going to proceed the same procedure. So first I will find out the transition from this state for a given alphabet A, B, C. So P of A, P of B and P of C. So P of A, check out it has any transition for input alphabet A. Yes, it has. It is a loop. So I will get P. Next P of B, I will move to a Q state. Next P of C, I will move to R state. So P, Q, R are the new state that I get. Next I will combine this with the EPS of this state, that is P state. Next union of what? EPS of the new state, that is Q. Next union of EPS of R. So what is the EPS of P here? It is P itself. P union P, I will get P. Q union EPS of Q. EPS of Q is what? P, Q. So what I get? Q union P, Q. So what I get here? P, Q itself. Next R union EPS of R. So EPS of R, what are the states in the EPS of R? P, Q, R. So these are my new active state. So I will make an entry of these state in an active state, except the state which is already there in the active state. So P is already there, so I will not find any transition for this state. Next new states are what? PQ and PQR. So I will write here the new active states, that is active state equal to what? This is the previous active state, that is P. Next active state is what? The new active states, that is P, Q and PQR. Next I will write a new state here. So new states are what? P is already there in the list. So new states are P, PQ, next PQR. So these are my new active state. New states. Next I will find the active states here. Active states are the states. Active states are the new state except the previous entry of the active state. So P is there in the P is already there in the active state list. So I will not consider that one second. So what are my new active state? PQ and PQR. So this is my previous state. Next I should find the transition by considering these new active states for a given input symbol A, B, C. So transition for PQ on an input symbol A, next PQ on an input symbol B, next PQ on an input symbol C. So here P of A, where I reach P only. Next Q of A, I will reach Q. So after taking union of this, which state I get? PQ. So along with this I will take what? EPS of P and EPS of Q. So what I get here? EPS of P is P itself, EPS of Q is PQ. So PQ, here EPS of P, what I get? P, EPS of Q is PQ. So I will take union of all this. So what I get? I get PQ. Next P of B, I reach Q. Q of B, I will reach R. So I will take union of EPS of Q, next EPS of R. So Q union R is QR, union EPS of Q is what? PQ, EPS of R is what? It is PQR. So when I take a union of all this, what I get? I get PQR. Next PQ of C, P of C, where I reach R. Q of C, where I reach P. Next I will take what? EPS of R and EPS of P. So EPS of R is R union P, that is RP union EPS of R is what? It is PQR. Next EPS of P is what? It is P itself. So what I get here? PQR. When I take a union of all this, what I get? I get PQR. Same way we are going to find the transition for what? The next active state, that is PQR. So transition from PQR of A, transition from PQR of B, transition from PQR of C. So PQR of A is what? P of A, P, Q of A, Q, R of A, R. So when I take a EPS of PQR, what I get? PQR itself. Next PQR of B, So P of B, where I reach Q. Next R, Q of B, where I reach R. Next R of B, where I reach. So R of B, there is a no transition for R of B. So I'll get null here. So EPS of Q and EPS of R I should take. So EPS of Q is what? It is PQ, and EPS of R is what? PQR. So when I take a union of these two, what I get? I get PQR. Next, P of C, where I reach R. Q of C, no transition, so I'll get null here. R of C, I'll reach P. So EPS of R union EPS of P. So EPS of P is P. EPS of R is what? It is PQR. So what I get? I get PQR state. Next, so these are my new states. So one is PQ, PQR is here. Next PQR. So these all states are already there in the active states list. So I will not get any new states now. So PQ is already there, PQR is already there, and P is there. So here I had not got any new states. So I'll stop here. Then I will draw the DFSM by considering these active states. These are my active states for DFSM. So I'll write 3 states here. One is PQR. Next, one is a P state. Next, PQ state. So here the start state of my DFSM is the S dash value. S dash is the start state. So what is the S dash value here? P. So P become my start state. Next, what is the final state in the given NDFSM? R is there. So wherever R comes in the active state, those all considered as a final state. So this is my final state because R is a member of this state. Next, I should show the transitions here. So before show the transition, I will construct the transition table by considering these states. So P, PQ, PQR are my states, and what are the input symbols here? A, B, C are my input symbol. P of A, where I reach P. P of B, PQ. P of C, PQR. Next, PQ of A, where I reach PQ itself. PQ of B, I reach PQR. Next, PQ of C, where I reach PQR. Next, PQR of A, B, C, I will reach what? PQR itself. So I will write here PQR, PQR and PQR. So this is my transition table. So I will show the transitions. P of A, it is a loop here. P of B, PQ. P of C, PQR. Next, PQ of A, it is a loop. PQ of B, PQR. PQR of C, again it is a PQ of C is PQR. So I will write here B comma C. Next, PQR of A, PQR of A, PQR itself, B PQR itself, and C is also PQR. So this is my DFSM which I constructed from a given NDFSM. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.